Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to resize rows and columns in Google Sheets equally. So guys, we can see four columns are different size. So press Ctrl and select like column C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and K. Now we can see every column are same size. If not work, so select it, try again, right click on anyone. Make sure these all are selected. Then again click on resize the selected columns and make your desired size like 150 and click on OK. Now we can see every column are selected in resize equally. Similar way, you can resize these rows. So select rows like this, right click on it, select resize rows in pixel. So pixel size, then click on OK. Just select that rows or column, resize. Here click on resize column to any particular number. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can resize rows and column in Excel equally in Google Sheet. So this is the way you can resize rows and column equally in Google Sheet. Thanks for watching.